Life afloat. How artist Shannon Lane manages money on her narrowboat. Imagine trading a cramped London flat for the serene expanse of the Grand Union Canal, where your home floats gently on the water. This is the reality for Shannon Lane, a 29-year-old artist and producer who swapped the hustle of city living for the tranquility of life on a narrowboat. Tired of rising rents and diminishing space, Shannon found freedom not just in her art, but in her unconventional home. As she navigates the challenges of living off-grid, Shannon has crafted a unique approach to budgeting and saving that reflects her values and lifestyle. Join us as we explore how Shannon manages her money, balances her passions, and embraces the joys and hurdles of narrowboat life. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Background. Shannon Lane, 29, is an artist and producer who resides on a 30-feet narrowboat on the Grand Union Canal with her dog, Gilbert. After 8 years of renting rooms in shared houses in London, where she faced escalating rents and deteriorating living conditions, Shannon decided to make a dramatic change. Frustrated with the rising costs and cramped spaces, she purchased her narrowboat for £24,000 in January 2023. This move not only offered her more independence, but also a significant reduction in living expenses. Shannon's transition to canal life represents a shift from high-rent London living to a more affordable, off-grid lifestyle that aligns with her values and mental health needs. Number 2. Monthly budget and expenses. Shannon Lane's monthly budget reflects her unique lifestyle on the narrowboat. Her primary expenses include a £110 boat license and £10 for insurance. She allocates £40 every few months for coal and wood, essential for heating, and £5 per month for gas. Groceries cost her around £200 monthly, while her mobile phone plan with unlimited data adds £50 to her expenses, crucial for staying connected and managing her freelance work. Shannon also pays £300 for art studio hire, which is vital for her creative work, and £50 for her gym membership to maintain her fitness. Additionally, she has a £300 monthly loan repayment and spends £30 on items for her dog, Gilbert. Using solar panels for electricity helps reduce utility costs significantly. By moving every 2 weeks, Shannon avoids mooring fees, which can be a substantial expense for many live-aboard boaters. This careful budgeting allows her to manage her finances effectively while living off-grid and pursuing her artistic and production work. Number 3. Income sources. Shannon Lane's income primarily comes from 2 sources: art sales and freelance production work. As a talented artist, she creates and sells surrealist paintings through a gallery in Hackney Wick, London. Her artwork, deeply inspired by her experiences with mental health, provides a significant portion of her monthly income. Alongside her art, Shannon works as a freelance producer, which complements her earnings and adds to her financial stability. This role involves producing various projects, enhancing her income, and allowing her to maintain flexibility in her work schedule. Together, these 2 income streams contribute approximately £3,000 to her monthly earnings, though this figure can fluctuate depending on the volume of art sales and the number of freelance projects she secures. Shannon's combined income supports her off-grid lifestyle on the narrowboat, covering her essential expenses and allowing her to save. Despite the variability in her earnings, her diversified income sources provide a stable foundation for managing her finances and pursuing her creative and professional goals. Number 4. Financial management and goals. Shannon Lane manages her finances with a keen eye on savings and future goals. She estimates saving up to £1,000 per month, although this can vary based on unexpected expenses and changes in her costs. Her initial investment in her narrowboat was £24,000, supported by a £10,000 loan. Additionally, she spent about £200 on painting and furnishing the boat, ensuring it met her needs for comfortable living. Looking ahead, Shannon plans to purchase a larger boat to accommodate her partner, reflecting her desire to expand her living space while continuing her off-grid lifestyle. She is also considering installing a compost toilet to further enhance her sustainability and convenience. In terms of financial planning, Shannon is focused on building her savings and exploring various savings account options to optimize her financial stability. As she approaches her 30s, she's increasingly aware of the importance of planning for retirement and long-term financial security. Her approach to financial management balances immediate needs with future aspirations, ensuring she maintains a stable and fulfilling lifestyle while preparing for the future. This forward-thinking strategy helps her navigate the uncertainties of freelancing and living on a narrowboat while working towards her personal and financial goals. Number 5. Lifestyle and challenges. Shannon Lane thrives in her off-grid lifestyle on the narrowboat, finding joy in the close-knit community along the Grand Union Canal. This sense of belonging, coupled with the serene natural surroundings, has significantly boosted her mental health and overall well-being. Living on a narrowboat offers her a degree of freedom and a cost-effective alternative to the high rents of London, which she finds both unaffordable and unsatisfactory given her previous experiences with rising rents and poor living conditions. However, Shannon's lifestyle is not without its challenges. Unexpected repairs on the boat can be both costly and inconvenient, requiring prompt attention to avoid disruption. Additionally, the boat's toilet system presents its own set of issues, with the necessity of transporting a cassette full of waste to the Elson Point being particularly unappealing. Despite these hurdles, Shannon values the benefits of her unique living situation and the financial savings it affords her. She acknowledges that owning a house or flat in London remains unrealistic given current property prices, making her narrowboat life a practical and fulfilling choice. By embracing this unconventional lifestyle, Shannon finds a balance between managing challenges and enjoying a rewarding, cost-effective way of living. Number 6. Personal philosophy. Shannon Lane's personal philosophy centers on valuing comfort and happiness over material possessions. She embraces a lifestyle that prioritizes emotional well-being and contentment, seeking to minimize the impact of financial concerns on her mental health. This focus allows Shannon to fully enjoy her off-grid life on the narrowboat, her art, and the supportive community around her. She firmly believes that financial education and planning are crucial, especially as she nears her 30s. Shannon advocates for a proactive approach to managing finances and planning for retirement, understanding that long-term security is essential for maintaining a fulfilling lifestyle. Her commitment to financial awareness extends beyond her own experience, as she encourages others to recognize the importance of saving and preparing for future needs. By balancing her values with practical financial strategies, Shannon strives to create a stable, enjoyable life while ensuring she is prepared for the future, combining personal happiness with financial responsibility. Thanks for watching this deep dive into Shannon Lane's unique journey of living on a narrowboat and managing her finances. From her creative income sources, art sales and freelance production work, to her thoughtful approach to budgeting, Shannon's story offers valuable insights for anyone considering a similar lifestyle. Shannon's dedication to her off-grid life not only enhances her well-being, but also highlights the importance of financial education and planning. If you enjoyed this video and found Shannon's journey inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more stories about how people are managing their money in creative and unconventional ways. Got any questions or thoughts about living on a narrowboat or managing finances? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.